to Yardie's kitchen, and this is my very last video for 2016, and today I'm gonna do some scrambled eggs for breakfast. But as usual, you know, I'm gonna kick it up a little bit, using Yardie styles, right? Alright, let me show you my list of ingredients because it's an interesting list. Alright, so I have some eggs here, and this is all natural eggs, you know, organic. Well, I don't know if it's organic, but it's all natural, them say. And I got this at Trader Joe's. And I have here one chili pepper, one green chili pepper. I have some parsley, a little bit of thyme. You know, we can't live out with Jamaican thyme, right? We have some green onions, and we have some regular onions. I have over here kale, which I'm going to use to scramble my eggs. And I have a little bit of smoked salmon, yeah, so I'm going to use that as well. And I have some black garlic, and this is an interesting one, folks. I got this at Whole Foods, and the black garlic is actually fermented garlic. All right, so it's garlic that has been fermented through a process, and look at the end result. This is how it looks when I peel it out. Yeah, it's actually black. For true. So stay tuned. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is chop up all these vegetables, and then, you know, start the process of scrambling my eggs, and yeah, you'll see the finished dish. Yardie TV, Yardie in a foreign. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have my pot heated. I'm gonna use some olive oil. And I'm pretty much, let me see, let me put the heat down lower while I scramble the eggs. Here I have the eggs with the thyme added, a little bit of thyme. So I'm just gonna scramble my eggs then, mix up my eggs. And the wifey say I must take out what you call it, the eye? What's your thoughts on that, folks? Because I don't know. You know, maybe I should. The eye is the little white membrane that is in the egg. Sometimes she call it the eye. It's a Jamaican tradition, I think, to take it out. But I didn't. I just added some seasoning salt to my eggs. Just maybe a half of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Not too much. Seasoned salt. Yeah, seasoned salt. Alright. And now my pot do it still. I'm gonna start my scramble ASAP, right? Because and this is not a mix-up scramble. It's not a mix-up scramble. It's just a regular scramble. Alright? So it's not like a frittata I'm making. I'm making an egg scramble. So the items in the pot will be separate from one another. It won't be, you know, all jumbled together. I don't know if you understand what I say. But me know what I say. Oh, let me turn back the stove up. Alright, so now my eggs are scrambled.
No, it's not.
It's starting to, it soon starts. Wait I do then if it's not scrambled.
I look like it just a chill to me. That's enough of my scramble in.
Because I turn on the stove because I didn't want the olive oil to burn.
But scramble is the process of breaking apart.
Yeah, I know, but I go scramble it. I scramble it.
Oh.
I break it apart. I just want it set a little bit first. You know? See like it's setting now? See? See that? Because I don't want the egg to be lost in translation. So, see this, guys? As soon as the eggs start being runny, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. See, it's scrambled. It looks scrambled now?
Yes,
sir. Ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good.
And it stopped running.
And it stopped running. Where I rush my fast? Alright, now I'm going to add my fish. Alright? And my fish is gonna, this is smoked salmon, guys. And one next little piece of lox right there, so. Oh, I find a new word, the lox. One of my subscribers tell me what it means. It's basically the name of them called fish. Salmon fish, them call it lox.
You didn't already know about lox.
Ear lox, you mean? Rasta lox?
Yeah, come with the lox.
Now, what happens to the salmon as soon as it starts to cook, it gets flaky. So you don't have to worry about these big pieces that are gonna be in there, because it's gonna flake out, and you know, then it's gonna more mix up. Yeah. So watch it now, because this is gonna turn stir fry all of a sudden now. You gotta see what I want. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know them eat this fish raw too?
And you know, right, smoked.
Uncooked, smoked and uncooked. Eat it like that.
The smoking process is the cooking process. See it break apart then now once it starts.
Right.
What do you mean you don't think it's right? It is so good.
Look on that piece of fish and that eat it so raw.
It's not raw. It is smoked. See? Now this in itself could have been a meal. You could have just left off the stove and call it a day right there. Right? But we always have to ump it up a little bit, yeah? And let me add some black pepper if we can find it.
Fresh ground black pepper.
And a little bit of garlic powder, not too much, because I have the fermented garlic we may add. As a matter of fact, I may add that in a little bit. Yeah, see that? Over the thing now. Over the thing, do it the thing. Alright, so I'm going to start add my rest of stuff them now. Onions. And let me see if I can get off them chili peppers. Hopefully it's not burn no. Yep. You shaking your head? Got too much chili pepper?
No, I'm not saying nothing. I'm good.
Wow. Smell that?
Lovely.
Smells so good. Yes. Now the pepper hot. Now smell it. It's a make me cough. Whoa. Pepper. Boy.
So you have a pot of food for yourself?
No, sir. Don't worry about it. It's not like that. It's not like that. Alright. And now I'm gonna try to get my fermented garlic in the pot. And trust me guys, if you've never used fermented garlic before, it is an awesome ingredient. It smells so divine. I'm going to black up the pot. Wow. And then add in my garlic a little bit. I want a little more oil in my pot though. I'm put a little bit more oil in the pot, just to incorporation everything. And this is extra virgin olive oil I'm using. You can use your favorite oil, coconut oil, or you can use olive oil blends like what I have over there on the counter.
We actually wanted to use coconut oil, but guess what guys?
The temperature.
It's cold in SoFlo. Can you believe it? So our oil became
congealed
or coagulated.
No, congealed.
It's hard up.
It's hard. And then I'm going to add some of my kale. I always don't let me say my kale. Yes, man. And you don't want the kale do not more than just wilt a little bit. You just want to incorporate the kale a little bit. You don't want it even go out of the way, you see?
What about grape tomatoes? That couldn't work?
May I put that on the plate?
Oh.
And eat it raw. Let me add my parsley and my green onions Pardon my chopping board, guys.
I would have never guessed that this is parsley though. Why it look exactly like cilantro to me?
A parsley, flat leaf parsley.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look on the breakfast. Look on the breakfast.
Oh la la. With a pretzel bread. Woo.
Woo. I'm feeling it.
And some cream cheese.
Woo.
Hallelujah.
Kill a mosquito.
Not a better way to exit the year
than to do it
with a
with
nice
healthy
breakfast. Last breakfast of the year has to turn up.
It's got to.
And the first one have to turn up too, so try to think of something for tomorrow breakfast.
Mackerel and rice.
Mackerel and rice?
Yeah.
For breakfast?
Yes. Mackerel and rice good for any time. Alright, so wilting and then plating. So along with my breakfast, I have some tomatoes here. It's just a medley of mixed cherry tomatoes, different color, different variety and stuff. And I want to do a little quick tomato salad. So here I do now, I toss some parsley. I use my kitchen scissors, which is a scissors that I convert, because ain't nobody about buying a scissors just for kitchen. Well, I convert that one here. It's just for the kitchen, but it's not an original kitchen scissors, so to speak. But it has become our kitchen scissors. Alright, so watch this. Put that in, right? Then here I have a lemon. I'm just gonna use half of this lemon. Oh my God. And then I have this pretzel salt from Pretzilla, and it comes with a pretzel bun, which we're gonna use for breakfast. But because we don't really want to put the salt on the bun, I use a little bit. I like how the grains them big. It just look foreignish. It looks very foreignish. And a little bit of olive oil. Yep. And you just toss. Yeah, man. Yeah. And it's a great way to eat your tomato. Trust me. It looks so stupid. It look nice.
It looks stupid, you say?
Stupendous.
Yeah, man. Look
very stupendous. Yeah.
Look very nice and glossy.
Right. So this I gonna put on the plate. So we say, oh. Finished plate, guys. Yeah. Our kale, smoked salmon, egg scramble. Yeah. And I have it here with some pretzel buns from Pretzilla, and my tomato medley from Lady Moon Farms. And yeah, just try your thing in your neighborhood. Try a thing, new thing, different thing. The wife is gone in already, and we they are work the thing, you understand? And me reminded of the wifey song where the wife did sing one long time on the video. Where the food is not that easy because we cooking turn up. And I mash up because we cooking turn up. Food is not that easy because we cooking turn up. Hey. Alright, so here we are. Big up on yourself for the new year, you know. You understand? Like, share, subscribe, comment. From my kitchen to yours, from my art to yours. Thank you, all my subscribers, for your support and all of your comments and everything. We are looking for bigger and better things in 2017. Yardie Belly in a foreign, Yardie Belly TV. Just do your thing. Remember me tell you. Big up.